Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to do this. That's right, the old animated map functionality. Okay, let's get into this. First, let's create a new project here, a movie. And you're going to go to the old backgrounds tab here. You're going to use one of these 4 globe selections here at the top. You have old world, water cooler, educational, and blue marble. It doesn't matter which one you select. I'm going to go ahead and pick the blue marble one. You're going to click and drag into the timeline here and make sure it's highlighted. Once you go over here to the top, it's defaulted to San Francisco and you get to choose your second one. But let's change that. Let's go from Austin, Texas. And then we'll go to Honolulu. Okay. Now, depending on the length of your actual clip down here, will determine the speed that the actual line travels, that navigation point. So let me show you that here. Okay, that's kind of the default speed. So let me shorten this and you'll see that it can be a lot faster. Okay, so that's one point to the next. Now let's make it a little bit more interesting here. Let's go from Honolulu to Tahiti. So what I'm going to do is grab another one, drag it into the timeline here. Same thing. Let's start with Honolulu. And we'll go to Tahiti. Okay. Let's shorten this one up so it's fast as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and play. Okay, there's a little bit of a gap here. But if you want to put like a little transition in, you can do that as well. What I would do is put like a cross dissolve. And I'm going to make it pretty short. So I'll make it like 0. Maybe 2. Let's try 2. Apply. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch this here. Okay, yeah, I think that looks pretty good. And let's go from Tahiti to... let's go to Australia. Let me go ahead and go back here. Grab another one. Let's go from Tahiti. And I guess we'll go to Perth or something. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's shorten that up here. And let's watch this thing. Austin to Honolulu to Tahiti to Perth. All right, so you do notice there's a little stop here if you don't put that transition. So I'm going to go ahead and put that transition in here. I kind of like it when I do that. And we'll put 0.2 again. You might have to click on it and actually type the number because sometimes using a keyboard it won't actually delete. And then hit apply. And let's make these kind of similar length. We'll go about 1 second each. Okay, now let's watch this project. There you go. That's how you do it. And of course, you know, you'd probably put some music or you do some voiceover commentary or something just to make it a little bit more interesting. Maybe even go into the audio here and look for like a jet or an airplane sound or something and drop that in. But, you know, use your imagination and you can kind of spruce it up a little bit, make it, you know, pimp it out a little bit. Alrighty, I think that's it for today's tutorial. As usual, thanks for watching, thumbs up, all that jazz. Peace and aloha.